For this team craft kit, you should have gotten a little baggy Ziploc bag with spearmint seeds. They're very tiny, but you should have 2 or 3 in your bag. A cup with some white paint, paintbrush, bag of dirt, and or soil, I should say, and a terracotta pot. So first thing you're going to want to do is decorate your pot. If you want to decorate it, then you're going to want to do that before you put your plant in it. So I wanted to do a horizontal pattern on here, and I'm really bad at keeping things even and straight, so I put some tape on here and just to mark my line, and use my pretty unicorn rainbow tape because even though it's not Pride Month anymore, we can still support the LGBTQIA community. So go ahead and paint your whatever pattern you want to on your terracotta pot, and we'll come back and get ready to plant our seeds. I didn't do anything too fancy with my design. I just did a simple little pattern, but you can definitely do something more elaborate if you want. So next thing you're going to want to do is put your plastic saucer that you got underneath this. I don't have one, so I'm going to make a big mess here when I do mine. I'll put this back on the bottom to help seal it up. Okay, so, but just so you don't get soil everywhere on the table, you're going to want to put that saucer there. These indoors, so what you're going to want to do is just put them in here. So you're going to just lightly cover it, and then you're going to keep the soil moist. You don't want to overwater it. You don't want to drown your plant. And once if you have everyone should have 2 or 3 seeds, so you can, if you're like me and you just want to hedge your bets that at least one grows, you can plant a couple in here. You don't want to crowd them too much. So if you do plant more than one in here and they both grow, once they have at least two pairs of leaves, then you're going to want to transplant one of them into a different pot so that they have some space. But then you can grow these indoors or in a nice sunny spot, or you can grow them, transplant them outside to your garden if you prefer that. Something to keep in mind is that mint does get a little bit, can grow out of control a little bit. So if you do plant it outside, just make sure you plant it somewhere where you can control its growth so it doesn't overtake the rest of your garden. Happy planting!